Everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. And on this episode of Your Prep for Today, we're going to get into a little bit of legalese here. But before we jump into that portion of it, I want to ask you to please hit the thumbs up button so it helps me out with the YouTube analytics. And if you like my videos, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way you get notified whenever I put out a new video. All right. Now, and share it out if you have friends that are coming around and are interested in learning how to get prepared and wanting to know what steps they need to take for developing a food storage plan of their own. Alrighty. Okay, so the legalese portion here. What am I talking about? I'm talking about hard copies. A lot of people have their smartphones and stuff. Well, I'll just take a picture of my insurance policy, and I'll take pictures of my deed and the pink slip for my car, and I'll take all pictures of all my important documents. That's good, but you still need to have hard copies because sometimes they'll look at it. You have a picture. They go, "Oh, we need a hard copy." And so one of the easy ways you can do it, you can just go ahead and make photocopies and keep the originals. Have a binder with all the photocopies in it, and another binder, or better yet, one of those little what are they called? Portable safes. Those little lock boxes that are fireproof and waterproof that you can put all your documents in there and they're protected. That's something you need to think about having as well, because hey, if your house catches on fire and your filing cabinets all have burnt up and everything else, and you don't have this stuff, but wait a minute, in the bottom drawer of the filing cabinet, there's a fireproof lock box that has all the important documents in there. You can get in there, you can pull it out, you can go to your insurance company, and you can start the process a lot quicker on getting paid and getting everything taken care of. All right? So think about it. You don't have to do it. I highly recommend that you do it, but get copies of your documents around so you have them for emergencies. All right. So before I take off, I'm going to put a link up here to my other channel, Camp Pat and Family Compound, where I got several playlists on emergency preparedness and how to do things. So that link will be right up here, and then I'm going to put a link to the Prepping in Private and Prepping for Beginners up over here on this side here. And those are for you to share with your friends, neighbors, families, and relatives so that they can get prepared as well. All right? See you around.